The Department of Justice or DOJ found probable cause after preliminary investigation that two corporations committed crimes against proper tax paying. Decarich Supertrade Incorporated and Reddington Corporation will face criminal cases before courts for selling ghost or fake receipts.
Ito yung again parte ng unang batch na sinampahan natin ng kaso, kaya naman natutuwa kami na ang DOJ ay kaakibat din namin sa pagsugpo ng mga laban dito sa sindikato nagbebenta at bumibili ng mga peking resibo.
BIR Commissioner Romeo Lumagi Jr. added that the corporate officers and accountants of the mentioned corporations will also face the criminal information file. He said the government lose billions of taxes due to such illegal activities. That is why the BIR has been continually coordinating with the DOJ and filing cases against violators who are not paying proper taxes.
Kasi sa dinami-dami ng korporasyon na nagbebenta at sa dinami-dami ng korporasyon na bumibili ng mga peking resibo ay mahigit pa sa 18 billion ang nawawala dito. Mahigit yan 50 or baka umabot pa ng 100 billion ang nawawala dito.
BIR also filed a criminal case against a cosmetic company which, according to Lumagi Jr., was buying and using fake receipts.
Nakita po natin na isa po sila sa bumibili ng mga peking resibo at ang tax liability na nakikita po dyan sa isang korporasyon pa lang na yan ay 1.6 billion.
The BIR emphasized how heavy the possible penalties to those who will be caught violating the law related to the payment of taxes. In addition to imprisonment, they still need to pay the appropriate taxes, including fines and interest.
Ang panawagan nga natin, kung sakasakaling kayo ay hindi pa napapadala ng sulat, ay makakaasa kayo na mahuhuli rin natin kayo dahil it's just a matter of time.
There is still no response from the corporations who have been charged by the BIR. Commissioner Lumagi Jr. clarified that these steps are set to protect legitimate businessmen or people who pay proper taxes because they are also affected by such illegal practices or business. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.